Finn.
Say, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Finn, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No. Hey, I don't know how that one looked on camera, but the dog came running out on an invisible fence. I actually knew the woman, so nice neighbor, but she's apologizing, but her dog didn't do anything wrong, and I'm just glad that Finn and Magic, while they reacted, they didn't pull my arm out of my socket, and they were fine. I did all that with one arm, so good boys.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree, no whiny wimpy little pooch, don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me, then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. Yeah, but he's doing alright. And it's a Great Dane, stands 6'5". Feel his cold wet nose when I close my eyes.
What can I say? We're out for a little dog walk on a 75-degree September morning. Finn is looking so lean and fit. Magic, we're thinking about cutting down like a half a cup of food on him at each meal because he's starting to look a little plump. I actually had a vet who called him skinny about a year ago, so we corrected that. You can see the difference in width here. Heel. So I try and keep him at my left hip. Heel. Not getting too far ahead of me as I walk. Heel. Heel. Good boys. So a verbal heel and then a correction as needed. I also always try and have Finn on the inside and Magic on the outside. And Magic kind of knows that and just gets in the right spot. Heel. Sit. No, that was pretty good. Magic always backs up a few feet, but that's a pretty good response. Good boys. Heel. So that's walking 300 pounds of Great Danes with one hand, I might add.
'Cause I work in a monkey box, 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 monkey box. I'm working like a dog in my monkey box.
Well, we're back after a nice long walk. Tired them out, which is exactly what they needed. They're not on a downstay, so I guess I'll let Magic wander around. But I do appreciate all the views and the comments, and I hope you have a great day. Subscribe, and I'll keep these coming. Talk to you later.
Monkey box, monkey box, monkey